And then I got into wholesaling. I was like, what the heck is wholesaling? Because I knew what flipping was, but I didn't know there's a middle ground between.
A middle, yeah.
And then when I got into it, I was like, wow, this is a cool thing. Like, you can do this anywhere in the world too. Like, that's crazy. I didn't believe it at first, honestly. But dude, for the first like 4 months, we had deal after deal after deal fall out of escrow, or some random crazy thing happen. And I was about to toss the towel up and say, wow, this doesn't work, man. I was doing like an Amazon FBA at the time. I was like, I'm going to go back to Amazon FBA. But I'm glad I didn't quit, dude. We have a team. We kept going. When we finally closed escrow, our first deal, we made $14,144. And I was like, holy cow, this is a lot of money that we were able to make out of thin air, essentially. Like, never seen me face to face. We just did it over the phone off a random cold call lead. And we got the whole process from A to Z to escrow and sold to cash buyer. And after that, the proof of concept was there. And dude, we're on our way. We're closing 2 deals next month. We're about to make $50K next month with 2 deals. And we've been in the business for only 6 months now, going into 7. I'm like, dude, it's amazing.